Hi guys, welcome to the Saturday part. We're getting earlier and earlier by about 5 minutes every morning. It's 8:48 right now, 8:53 right now. We're getting timings are going further and further back. Tomorrow I'm going to be here around lunchtime. Luckily, this video has been coming 8:54. I'm doing departure only today just for storage reasons, and I'm going to another video later on. So I'm doing departure, and this is the only arrival of the whole video you'll see because I'm doing the intro, so leave around, subscribe. This is the only intro. That's the only reason I'm doing an arrival here, 331016. Otherwise, nothing much really. By the way, that tone was not for me. First departure, I was not impressed with that. Not impressed with that at all, chap. Well, if that guy's coming here thinking he's the only spot here today, I'm here till 12:30. So he's got another 4 hours of me yet. I've only got started here. It's literally the first departure of the video. I'm here till 12 o'clock. So what do you think? That was sort of a megatone. That wasn't for me, it was the person behind me, not me. But I did. It was part. Shots of road service. 15146. But I looked at the driver of the car, and I was literally like, I looked at the driver, and I was like, nah, nothing's happening for it, out of nowhere. Of course, the 858. I've got Nova next. I think we've already got the best speed to the video first train. First clip. Tone there from 15146, a nice delicate tone. Nothing that would deafen me too much, unlike the calf. If only every train gave that calf type of tone. Of course, the 904, I think it might be the same drivers as yesterday morning, but it's the same staff here. And I remember seeing 156417 here yesterday. That's why we might get a lot of each today, because they're the same drivers yesterday morning. Definitely not this one. Goes 195, 101 to Windermere. That's the 909, I'm the 1208. So don't worry guys, I know I'm on the 1208 to Windermere. You're not gonna see trains at Windermere. You're just not gonna see that. It's a station on the line, it's not Preston. So, and it's not Charlie. Could be Lancaster, could be Axon Hungary, it's one of them. I'll let you think. Video will be coming out next though. Off goes the 918. Like I said, departure's only happening here. 151 straight. See you on the return now. I've not to say that today. See you after that. I'm telling you, saw all these same combinations yesterday. Just different drivers. In comes the Nova. Here you go, 3201. I forgot to say Novas, I'm doing all arrivals and departures. You can't really miss an over here. They're too precious at this station to miss. When I'm at Lancaster later on, I'll miss as many Novas as I like. But here, Novas are what makes the session different from the Novas. 201 on that. With Watland Street. 156429. Telling you, this is the exact same train I saw yesterday, just with different drivers, the same units. Off goes the 936. 195, 125. When I say we've seen the same units, I only mean platform 1, because these are all different compared to what we saw last time. Still at the 921, 25, 54 and 50 anymore. Yeah, we're back to 323 times. First 323 is the video. This is missing Salford Crescent and Deansgate, by the way. And the reason it's doing this is because if it's already 20 minutes late, if it got any more later, they have like a 20-minute maximum slot at the airport. It would get, if it got any later, they would not be able to go to the airport. It would terminate Piccadilly. That'd take up a bit of time. Now, that's late because it's late from the depot. Maybe how empty it is might explain why it's late from the depot. But you know, first 323. I thought we can hear. Well, you get some better noise if you're a bit further back. Because this is where the motor is, right here, second carriage.
The next train will arrive at platform 1 is the 0949 Bolton service to Rochdale.
Oh, come on, that's a bit slow. Like, you don't get that immediate sound when you go out a bit slow. You want that classic 323 noise, if you want to hear. Because I drive 323s in my trains in loads of times. I am sure that cab door is open slightly, like leaning out a bit. 205, don't think I've seen that one. Well, not in real life anyway.
Next train arriving.
Then comes the 925. First we've got the 954, almost straight after the 769. Still on 769 because it switches to, so you literally get the best noise from this standing here. Classic 769 noise. Sweet car. 769-442 there. Wish we've not even got Rochdale service will be coming in now in 1 minute. Not usually you have a 10-minute break now. Goes 151.22 on the 949 to Rochdale. See you on the 10-minute, 11:35. Goes to 954 to Manchester International Airport. Or Manson-Wyn Aeropuerto if you're in Welsh. But I think I'm not going to speak in Welsh. .023. That doesn't sound familiar. Yeah, don't rub it in, don't. Right, come on, come on. Give me a beat as worthy of that northern of that calf. 156427, come on, do it. Nice one. That wasn't as good as the calf one. I will see him on the return, but I don't need to see him on the return. He gave me a lovely bit. I might, just so he can give me another one. Oh, I've got us 151.45 to Clitheroe. Come on, country. See you on the turn that one. God, I'm a little bit too stunned. Off goes 195, 128 to Barrow and Furnace. Tonight. In comes 1021, 1018 was cancelled. Three 1028 Brinton. Of course, you're on 21 to Manchester Airport. Three 317 to track 7 displays. Nice. In comes the 1025. 769431. As well as 769 431. Comes at 1036. We're going to have 6 going for a change. We have gone a bit. I'm going to fire into one. Of course, 1036. I don't even know if that train did have a go. Couldn't even see anything. Comes 156429, second time round. Off goes 156429, second. Is this no? I'm so confused. Have we seen something? I think I saw it, but I didn't get my camera out in time. Yeah, I saw this. I didn't set my camera. I've never seen full-on 323s. Like, it's 323s, but it's a 6-car West Midland. So there's absolutely no northern liveries in this 323 Off goes, oh, listen to this 323, nice. We're at Birmingham in New Street right now. I've not filmed there before. In a few weeks I might go down to Birmingham. Do a nice video there, that'll be a nice one. That'll definitely be a nice one. It's funny, a 6-car inside the gym, we can see the guard's head sticking out the hallway. You can still see his head sticking out past the road too. It's the beeping test. Because he failed it at 9:18. 156,480 on the front here. I don't think it's even the same driver. We'll never really know, will we? Off goes the centre sign. A bit fast. Normally they like release the brakes for a bit of a second longer. Quite rapid. I can see more 323s in the distance. I do think it spoils it a bit, like when you have the ex-West Midlands here. If you get what I mean. It spoils the northern vibe. Like, you see it, it's you know it's northern, but it just looks orange. Like it doesn't blend in with. I always thought the 150s. I always the right colour. Goes 156,418. We passed the beep test. Oh, shut the window on me. I just don't get the point of them altering manoeuvres to 4. Really. Just to come back to 3. Because they'll announce it in 1 minute, platform alteration. And I don't know why they announce a manoeuvre that a train you can't even get on is late. Oh, 32305. Oh, as in comes an over. This is going to be a hefty long clip. This clip's going to be like 3 minutes. Three, 2, 3, 2, 7 on the back.
Next station to arrive on platform 3 is the sit-down only service operated by Transfer Express. This train stops in, passengers to get off only. Tickets are
comes the Nova.
Bolton and not valid on this service. Please do not attempt to board this train. Once again, train arriving down on platform number 3 is the sit-down only service operated by Transfer Express. This train stops in, passengers to get off only. Tickets are passengers for Bolton and not valid on this service. Please do not attempt to board this train.
Closing over. Some people trying to get my attention on board that by knocking on the window. You ain't getting any of that, thanks. Knocking on the window doesn't help. Half of these transport lines normally get late or cancelled because they're late from the depot. That one's late from the depot, I'm very concerned. Off goes the FSS. This confused me so much. 909's to Windermere. 1009 is to Bowling Furnace. 1109 is to Windermere, right? And 1209 is to Bowling Furnace. What? I'm so confused right now. Comes the 1121 to Manchester Airport. Back to check stations. I'm gonna continue this with a new style here. No driver keyboard. Something on this route between Blackpool North and Manchester Airport, they don't need a station. Not any of the routes. There might be Sunday action tomorrow, might not be. 100% sure. I'm not really sure if there's going to be Sunday action. But the video is not wrapping up here. So I'm pretty sure I will be here on the part. I will be standing here at some point tomorrow to even end the video. So I will be here Sunday. 31020 there. I've got till 12 o'clock, I've got another 45 minutes here. Off goes 331010. With the 6 start. Right. The departure board says 2 carriages here for the East Over train. Not liking the fact that it says 2. Right, please, Northern. I've enjoyed the whole morning so far, where these services between South and Southport trains have all been 769s. We have to spoil it with a stinky old 156 or something like that. 452. You have to spoil it in Northern. I've got us 156, 470. From secondary pressure, will you pass the beat test? I think this one already beats this morning. I'm not I think it will be good timing for my storage list. Just going off how the amount of storage, I'm leaving at the perfect time as well. Of course, they just made an announcement because the stupid departure board says this is the Manchester Airport service, and everyone with suitcases is getting on it for some reason. Extremely embarrassing. That's comes first, serves first. This comes before the 150. I film this over the 150. That's the rule. That's the golden rule. Whatever comes first gets served first. I still probably will be able to film the 150. I've got enough time. 195 when I'm filming you. Right, 150 second time round. 150, 122 second time round. It's a black. That driver seems stunned I'm still here. It's going to be the final Blackburn service of the video because the 1204 to Clitheroe is cancelled. It's the final service on platform 1 heading this direction only. 122 on that. Next stop for that one is Howth Wood. Come out like that. Off goes 151, 136. Right, so we've got the 1154, 1158 and the Nova. After the Nova, I'm gone. And I'll see you guys for the Sunday bit, for the conclusion of this week. Driver clearly pulled. In comes the, I was going to say Nova then. 1154 to Manchester Airport. It's a 4-car. It's the first 4-car of the video. And there's only 3 more trains left of the video. The Clitheroe train's cancelled, or else it would have been 4. No, don't remind us. You don't want to get reminded. Yeah, it's cancelled. Sunday action is looming, people. 331109, I've seen this 3311 lots of times. The AHS one, yeah, I've seen this one. Oh yeah, AHS ones are 4 cars if you didn't know. In comes the 150. 158. Got the Nova after this, Nova's final catch for today. 150, 130. 2 Manchester Oxford Road, interesting. Not much better looking than the Nova, that. Right, final platform 3 catch. No, it's not the final platform 3 catch, sorry, because we've got the Nova. Allegedly, the Nova's coming on platform 4. But the last 10 times it's said that, it always gets alterated back to 3. I don't get why, because you've got the Barrowing Furnace train at that time. It's ridiculous. It's just an error. Oh, it's 150/2. Yeah, nice. 150/2 actually. 150/224. Now, can I say some words here? They're convincing me that this hour the Nova is going to come on 4 because that green light's there. It's on platform 4. They've got a green light in that direction. But the other hilarious thing is they've also got a green light there on platform 5 in that direction for the Barrowing Furnace train. That is physically impossible for to have a green light on both sides. So it's obviously going to switch back to 3 because it doesn't fit, or else the Barrowing Furnace train is just going to get held. The Barrowing Furnace train is at a green, but that's also at a green. Confusing. Okay, Transpinine, you were right. But I still don't get how the Barrowing Furnace train's also coming in on 5. How they both got a green light. A bit not unusual. I got 2201. Hit the bell button, subscribe, drop a comment, all the good stuff. She'll be back here tomorrow, even if it's just for the Blackburn trains. There's a freight coming at 12 o'clock, I'll keep an eye on it. Freight's running on, I'll be here. Freight's not running, not here, but for me to Bolton to get it.